Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am currently at the Seasons. So if you're having any kind of Wi-Fi internet connectivity issues, the router actually happens to be behind the bed in the bedroom that is just off of the living room. So it's typically found right down here. We recommend that you go ahead and unplug for 3 minutes. And for whatever reason that the code's coming up a bit different, right on the back of the actual information here, you're going to find the details. So if you're looking at the very bottom, it says Frontier 7F45. That would be the name. And then the WPA is going to be like J2VGZNL and the rest of the digits. You put that in for the security, if just in case the information is not showing up. So if you get any further questions, you can call our office. It's 208-634-0030.